Hello guys and welcome to the channel TECHTAP. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to change DPI setting of your mouse in Windows 10. So for that click on Start and go to Settings. Here go to Devices and click on Mouse. You can change the DPI setting, which is known as cursor speed in Windows, by changing this bar. You can also click additional mouse options. Here you will see the option to change primary and secondary buttons, double click speed and click lock, as well as pointer option, wheels and hardware. For now go to pointer options and here you can change the speed of the mouse, enable enhance pointer precision, snap to options and other. So adjust the speed you want and click on apply and OK. So that's all. So guys, if you like the video, then like the video, share your videos, ideas and suggestions in comment and share it with your friends and family. See you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.